Picked this one up from a guy named Brent Cobb. Caught me right off the bat. I've loved strangers, dodged deals and dangers, searching for my own little peace. Countryside to the slick city streets, and I've missed my hometown, been high and low down, learned every which way of the game. How some things do, some don't change. But it's safe to say that I'm still crazy over you. Your love gets me through when I'm stuck in life's crazy blue. Ain't it funny how a little thunder make a man start to wonder, should he swim or just go under? And ain't it funny how you learn to pray when your blue skies turn gray and there's nothing there to say? Shine on, rainy day. Friend once told me, he said, boy, songs are so lonely, all them cheating, leaving, done me wrongs. Ain't you heard of a happy song? Well, offended, I set down my glass, smiled and let the moment pass. I said, the tab's on me, if you think I'm lying, 'cause laughing ain't a pleasure till you know about crying. Ain't it funny how a little thunder make a man start to wonder, should he swim or just go under? And ain't it funny how you learn to pray when your blue skies turn gray and there's nothing there to say? Shine on, rainy day. Brent Cobb.